Guys, we got something new on the channel today. We got a dirt bike here. This cable broke here, so this is what we're looking at right here. This is the cable. This is the clutch. Okay, so this goes, it runs down from right here. It's very simple. We're just gonna pick up a cable and oh shit, it's hot. Careful, it's hot. Anyways, there's a small adjustment here. So this cable is a special cable, I believe, but you should be able to throw on any cable. This is an adjustment to make it tighter and shorter. So yeah, it's definitely not a regular bike cable here. Okay, so see this, the bike cable will not have that. So we're pretty much gonna eliminate this here from right here, pull out the cable right through here, and reroute it, and it goes right back in there, and that's it. Simple. So what it does is it disengages and engages the clutch. So when you pull it, it disengages the clutch by pulling this up just like that. I'm not gonna be able to do it by finger. Okay, so we got the parts here. We bought it from Amazon, and it comes with the handle. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove these two screws right here. Once that is off, if you're just changing the cable, what you want to do is you want to unthread this whole thing here, and this thing will come off. But since we're replacing the whole handle, we're gonna just get the whole thing out of there. So okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna reroute the cable the same way. It goes right through here, and simply I'm gonna need help here. Come on inside. So I'm gonna push this up while he gets this off. There you go, and slips it right through the little hole. More?
Yeah, more.
You might be able to just push the cable.
Has to be a little bit more. Right there.
There you go. Okay, there you go. And the cable just comes out of that little guy right here, so it slips right through here. So this little notch here slips right through it, and there goes the cable. Okay, so this is the new cable. This is the top end, and this is the bottom. Same thing. Get this cable right through here, and it was right through here. Okay, so bottom end here. Can you help me here? Okay, so the bottom end, let's put in the bottom end first. So what we're gonna do here is we are gonna stick this right through here. Okay, so what we're gonna do is first we're gonna get the bottom end in here so it's easier.
What the?
So this sits right there, just like that. And now we should be able to get the top piece in, which should be very simple. And once that is in, we need to pay attention. You need to pay attention to this little guy, okay? There's no adjustment here. There is adjustment, okay, there is adjustment here. So this is a locking nut right here. And you can adjust it, but we will do that later on. And this goes right there. And now we're gonna put the handle on. Okay, so I'll pull the clutch down from the bottom, and we was able to get this cable. So now, what you want to do is you want to make some adjustment. Make sure you lock these two bolts up. And a lot of people like to have their clutch squeezed all the way. So just feel the cable. Sometimes the cable will stop here. After that, you're just forcing it. So just feel the cable wherever you want it at. That's it. Okay, just a few tips. So if you press this clutch, So once you let go of this clutch, it should engage. So if you had to go all the way down to disengage, that means you need to make some adjustment. So as you can see, we adjusted it here. We left this alone. This is flush here. And make sure you put some strap ties and make sure it doesn't touch. Like it just started to touch right there. It melted a bit, but that's fine. So put some strap ties, 1 or 2 ties, so it's just out of the way. And don't tie anything to this cable here. And I would also recommend you take this cable and put it up above it. And I might just do that for this customer. It's hot right now, but what I'll do is I'll just take off this plug cable here and I'll remove it right through here because it's pushing up against it, and push this right back in. And because it's plastic, the plastic is fine, but metal to the plastic is not fine. And this thing is in. Bada bing, bada boom. This is perfectly done right now, and the cable is routed. If you want to put more strap ties, it's all up to you. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. A small repair on this little guy, a clutch cable on this motorcycle.